Hey guys, my name is Samuel and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight, where technology is done right. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to control each individual software's volume, okay? So if you go here to your taskbar, you'll have the speaker icon here, and if you don't see the speaker icon here, it should be in this arrow. You can just drag it and put it down here, okay? So when you click on this icon, you can see that it only shows the speakers, okay? And it shows only speakers. It doesn't show the each individual software that is open to control the volume, okay? So let's fix that, okay? So now you're going to go into your start button and you're going to type in store. That opens the Microsoft Store, or if you have one in your taskbar, you can just click on it, okay? And then you're going to search for ear trumpet. Okay, then you can see here it has this trumpet logo on it. Just click on that and click on install. Give it a sec. It's a really small file. Okay, when it's done, just click on launch. Okay, and close this and close that. And now if you click on that speaker icon, you can see here you have two speaker icons, okay? So you're not going to go with the one that is originally there. You're going to go with the one that says ear trumpet, okay? Click on that and you can see here it shows OBS. Since I'm using OBS to record, I can control the volume of OBS. I've gone ahead and opened Chrome with the NCS song playing. Okay, so if I click on the ear trumpet, I'm going to bring it out again. Okay, I'm going to put this in here. Okay, then if you click on that, you can see that I can control the volume of my Chrome. So if I play the song, I can control the volume only for Google Chrome, and I won't mess up any other software's volume. This is really useful during streams. If you want to reduce the volume of a specific application, you can do that by simply installing ear trumpet. So if you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below. I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.